Okay, guys, today for math, we're going to talk a little bit more about finding 10 more and 10 less. Remember, we do this a lot when we do calendar. Okay, that calendar helper goes over and points to a place on the number grid. And remember, we go up in the column if we want to find 10 less, and we go down in the column if we want to find 10 more. You have a number grid in the back of your math journal. You may use it. Okay, if you are not for sure about 10 more and 10 less, use the number grid. Okay, go up in the column for finding 10 less, down in the column for finding 10 more. Now, what you see on my screen right now is a 10 more, 10 less, but it's missing the two sides. Remember how we do in calendar one more and one less out to the side? Well, here it's missing those two boxes. Okay, we're not focused on one more, one less. That's the easy part. We're looking at the hard part, the 10 more and 10 less. So if I look at the number 62, okay, find 62 on your number grid if you need to. And then now we're going to find the number that is 10 more. So we're going to go down in the column, and 10 more than 62 is 72. Okay, I'll give you a second to find that in your number grid. Find 62 and then go down one row in the column, and 72 is right underneath of it. Okay, now if we want to find 10 less, we're going to go the opposite direction. We're going to go up in the column. Okay, so go back to 62 and go up one, and you'll find the number 52. Now, remember how in calendar we talked about how this ones number doesn't change, but the tens number changes. It's like we're counting 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's try the next one. I want you to help me maybe kind of talk it out with me. I look at the number 57. Okay, if I went to my number grid, I could find the number 57. And now we want to go 10 more than 57. Okay, so go down in the column and you'll find the number 67, right? And now we go up in the column and we can find the number that's 10 less. Okay, so go up one and we see the number 47. You'll know you're right if the ones number doesn't change, but the tens number goes up by 1 each time. Okay, now let's look at 28. 28, find that in your number grid. Okay, now we're going to find 10 more than 28. So go down in the column. All right, find 38. 38 is 10 more. And now we're going to go up in the column and find the number 18. And that is 10 less. Think about it. Check it. 8, 8, 8. And then we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's find the next one, 31. Okay, find that in your grid. Okay, now we're going to go down. We're going to find 10 more than 31. And that number is 41. Now we're going to find 10 less. So go up in the column and we find the number 21. Now we're going to check ourselves. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Fine, let's do one more together and then you're going to do a page on your own. Okay, so find the number 46 in your number grid and we're going to go down in the column. So 10 more than 46 is 56. And now we're going to go up and we're going to find 10 less, and that is 36. Now check yourself. 6, 6, 6, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, oops, wrong direction. Sorry. Turn my pen off. Hold on. Okay. So now this is the page you're going to look for on Google Classroom. You're going to do this one by yourself. It looks just like the one we did. Okay. So you're going to find the numbers and then find 10 more and 10 less, write them in the boxes, and push save when you're done. Okay, you can pause it and go find that page, do it and submit it. Well, you're going to push save because you've still got one other thing to do. Okay, this is page 41 in your math journal. You're going to do this page by yourself and send a picture. Okay, so I want you to look at the directions for number 1. And you're just going to follow the directions. You may have to have an adult read you the directions later as you're doing it. But number 1 says circle the shortest pencil and make an X on the longest pencil. Number 2 says circle the shortest vehicle, make an X on the longest vehicle. And number 3 is kind of tricky. I see 3 children holding 3 different cards, A, B, C. You're going to put the children in order from shortest to tallest. Okay, and you're just going to write a letter on the line saying which child is the shortest, which child is in the middle, and which child is the tallest. And you're going to tell me if it's child A, child B, or child C. Send me a picture of this when you're finished, please, through Google Classroom. Okay, you can pause it and do that. And when you come back, you have only one thing left. For math, you're going to do 25 math facts on math cards. This is an app we have on our iPad. It's just math facts. You're going to do 25 math facts and send me a screenshot of your score when you're finished. Boys and girls, this is not boom cards. Okay, this is something different, and I've put the what the app looks like down here so that you can see this is what you're looking for on your iPad. Take a screenshot and send me that picture. Okay, so if you're at this point in my videos, you are almost finished with today. There's one more bonus video with my duckies, so hopefully you'll watch it. If not, that's okay. But don't forget to read the Start Right Reader as well, Ducks Hatch.